Today we're going to be doing a soap with a little bit of a swirl in it, and it's scented in Japanese cherry blossom. So we're going to pour our white layer right now. And we're going to let this set up for a little bit, and then we're going to come back in and do our pink. We're going to try and pour our pink. Hopefully it's not too hot. Spray our bubbles out. I'm going to take my spoon, just break through the white. Okay. Now we're ready for our final layer of white. Not going to use a whole lot. Bit about even with the bottom. Just find a little bit. Spritz it. And we're going to go ahead, put our spoon through it again. Okay. We're going to spritz it. We're going to let it get hard, and then I'm going to come back and we will do the top. I think we got a hard enough layer where I could take and decorate it. I'm going to spritz the top of my soap, and I'm only going to spritz the back of my flowers because I took and did a little bit of, I painted them a little bit with mica. And I'm just going to use some melt and pour soap that I made to attach them. They're not all the same size, so the bars may be a little bit different. Pull it over here. Tried to match them up by size. So we'll see how it is when we cut it. Give enough room to cut through. A little bigger. You know, I think I'm only going to be able to do three rows. And the end we'll just use for ourselves. Okay, there we go. I'm going to let it set up and then I will come back to cut it. Our Japanese cherry blossom is unmolded and it's all hard. It's really pretty colors. I don't know how well you can see it. So we're going to take and cut it. And I'm not sure, the bars aren't going to be all the same length, or width, I'm sorry, because I have to cut around the flowers. So let's see how this one would line up. Just don't want to cut it real hard. Well, so far so good. I think I lost a flower. Yep, it came loose. I have to put it back on. Okay. So they are. It was the plain bar with the really pretty. I'll go ahead and put them on the top. Thanks for watching and please like and subscribe.